Hello, the shaders tutorial is finally here. Sorry if the video is a bit all over the place. I suck at tutorials and explaining stuff, but anyways, enjoy the video and shaders. So I'm gonna to show you how to download shaders and let's go. First, you need to choose your game. My choice is a murder mystery 2. When you open the website with your game, click right and then click inspect. In Open Console, you need click to network, refresh the page and find a game name. In my case, it's Murder Mystery 2. When you find it, right-click and you will see copy. Click it and then click to copy all as PowerShell. Then open a website linked in description. In the website, you need to paste your copy text and wait till the loading end. When it's done, open Roblox website and join the game. Goodbye, everyone! I hope you enjoyed the tutorial on how to download shaders and share it with your friends.